If you are running ads and not converting enough leads, then you must check this video out, because ads can bring us clients, but we need to follow up faster. We need to take action to get that lead closed. So that's why the first one to respond always wins. Because let's say the lead fill out two forms, one's of your company and one for your competitor, and your competitor follow up faster than you, then the chances are that your competitor will take that lead and close them. So that's where our conversion rates come, because as soon as the leads opt in and we follow up within 60 seconds, the conversion rates are up to 391%. But if we follow up after 5 minutes, the conversion rate drops to 80% or more. So such a small difference like a 4 minutes can drop the conversion rates by so much. So that's why the follow-up matters. The faster the follow-up, the more the chances of lead getting closed. It seems practically impossible as we are not available 24 by 7 staring at the screen and simply as lead comes in and we call to them. But it was not possible earlier, but nowadays AI can handle it. The lead fill out the form, AI will call them, and AI will take all necessary details by asking them questions and handling it like a professional and collecting all necessary details, booking an appointment with you and your lead, and updating your calendar and much more things AI can do. This is very much helpful for us to close more clients and close more deals for our company. So in today's video we are going to build that exact system. We will be building it by Retail AI, Teleforms, and Make.com as automation, Cal AI for booking meetings, and I will show you step by step how it will work. But before we move any forward, if you are business looking for this solution for your own company, then you can go in the first link in the description and book a free consulting call with me. I will understand your needs and build you an AI voice agent for your business. So guys, we are here in our Retail AI dashboard, and you can see you can simply create a single prompt agent in it, and you can sign up for free. It provides $10 in free credit. You just need to sign up and you need to create a voice agent and select single prompt and you will be here. So I have created a prompt earlier, so if you want this you can DM me on Instagram and I will provide it. I'm not creating in this video as it will be too long if I try to create that, so just want to make things quick and clear. So that's why, and I will select the first message, the welcome message, what AI will speak as dynamic message, as I've included it in the uh, prompt itself, because we will be using some dynamic variables. So, firstly, let's understand the dynamic variables. These are the details which we will be getting from the form itself. So, let's say your form consists of name, phone number, and the message from the lead. So, and these are the things that you can add. So the AI must know these details before the call, because the lead has already put these details. They might be frustrated if the AI asks them again. So it will already know these details, makes the call much more personalized, and the lead must feel much better for during the call. So here's the all the details. You can add this, the two curly brackets in the opening and the closing, and between it's the name. So I will just add that. I will just show you how we will provide the details from the form to the our AI. So I will just show you, but let's understand. This is the prompt, and this is basically the brain of our agents. Okay, and now we need to select an LLM for our model, and this is the LLM basically decides what response to give the user based on what they say. So this is how we need to do this, and I will recommend GPT 4.1. You will select, and now for the voice I will recommend Cartesius and Nico voice from Sonic 3, which works really great. And you can select this dynamically, adjust the speed based on the user. So it will create much more better conversation. LLM temperature, I will say put this 0.8. It basically decides how creative responses the AI must outputs. Okay, and just simply save. You can select the language from here. You can choose multilingual Spanish or English or any other language you want to select. And the agent handbook, this is the a new feature by Retail AI. It creates a professional prompt. It adds to the your agent, but it will use some tokens. So basically you just need to enable it. It is much better and provides much better conversation. It basically improves your agent. So yeah, and you can select your time zone from here for your country, and we will just select New York time zone, EDT. Okay, so it is done. Okay, and now for the knowledge page, you can add any extra details you want to add for about your company to the agents. So you can add it from here. And functions, we will just discuss this. And call is already built in by the Retail AI. It will you be used to end the call, so it is automatically added. And speech settings, you can select a background sound if you want to provide more realistic conversation and more professional, so you can do this. And respond eagerness, I would recommend set this to 0.98 for better. And you can definitely in this tick this dynamically adjust based on the user input, so it will be much better. And this thing, the interruption sensitivity, how fast the user can interrupt it, the AI, so I would say put this to 0.8, because if you set this to 1, the AI will be stopping again and again based on the user what they say. Even a little bit of sound will make the AI stop, so it will be much more frustrated. So I would say 0.8 is the best. And reminder message frequency, I would say 60, and put this one time. So this is basically the AI will say, hey, just checking in, are you still there? So we don't want that to speak the from AI again and again, so I would just recommend that. And remove noise plus background speech, it is much better, I would recommend that. And optimize for speed or accuracy, you can choose this. I've choose accuracy based on speed, so you can choose this. And now call settings, voicemail, you can definitely add a message if you want to leave here. You can set this based on you. Whatever you want to leave a message about your company. Let's say, hey name, sorry we could not reach you directly. Please give us a call back. This you can add it in a form of prompt or static sentence, and it will simply leave it. IVR hang up, if you want, if the AI detected an IVR system, you can simply add a function to pass through it, or you can simply switch this on, so the AI will automatically hang up the call. And these are the basically the functions of if the AI is calling someone. So in inbound case it will not work, but we are doing outbound in this case, so it will be definitely helpful. You can switch on the use keyboard keypad input detection. And call silence, if the user is silent for this much period, you can simply the AI will hang up the call. Let's say the user forgets to hang up and leave their phone, so you must not waste your credit, so you can set this to somewhere around 1 minute, or let's say 1.5 minutes, it will work. And max call duration, how much the duration should last, so you can set this somewhere around 15 minutes, as you know how much your call will last. Okay, and ring duration, let's set this to 40. 40. Okay, yeah, this one. Okay, and these are the data which you need to extract from the call. So it is based on the your questions the AI will ask. Let's say the AI will ask what's your budget for selling the property, and the user answers something. Then the AI, after the call will end, the AI will extract that budget and store it into your CRM, which we will just do. Just you need to add these details from here. You can add it in the form of text or selector or boolean, which boolean is basically true and false, or number. Selector is basically you provided option and it will choose between those. Okay, and the security and fallback, you can simply do this if you want to store some data in the Retail AI. If you don't want it, you can select basic attributes only, or everything except the PII. You can simply choose it from here, and you can select the retention, of course. So these are the settings. And fallback ID, you can select a fallback ID from here. by adding, or you can simply automate the fallback ID. And webhook settings, I will just discuss this, and the MCP, don't need to worry about that. And now let's set up the functions. Now for the functions, you need to add a book on the calendar function. End call function is already added by Retail AI, so you don't need to worry about that. Book on the calendar, you can name it anything. Just make sure the name you are giving, it must be the same as you give it in the prompt. So make sure about that. And description, you can add something like this. You can see it from here. Okay, now for the API key, you will need to go here in cal.com. Cal.com is free. Basically, you can sign up to the cal.com and you can use it for free. Now go here in settings, and you will see an API key option, and you need to create new one from here and name it anything. Let's say YT, and I'll set this. You can set this to never expire if you are setting this permanently, or you can set up an expiration date. So I'm creating this for YouTube, so I'm setting an expiration date, and you can simply copy it from here and save it somewhere safe, because if you don't save it, it might be lost and you cannot recover it. So just paste it here, and now go back cal.com, simply click done, and go back from here. Event type, you can create a new event from here and set your available hours from here for your appointment. I've already set this all up, so I will just not do that again. And once you created a new event, in the URL section you can simply copy it and go paste it here in the event type ID, and you can set up your time zone from here. We'll just set New York, and just simply click save. Okay, so you can see the book meetings function has been added, and it will simply work. And you can definitely add more features like check calendar availability if you want AI to check your available hours first, then recommend them. Or you can simply set call transfer function or agent transfer or many other. There are, you if you want to send SMS also, you can simply send that also. So now we are done with the functions. Now we will need to set up an automation so that we can get all details passed from our agent to CRM and get those form details to our agent. So these things we will do, and you will need to sign up to make.com first. So I'm using Teleform in this case because I'm not running ads right now. So you can simply set up, if you are running, let's say, Facebook ads, I will just show you what you can do. Simply search here Facebook lead ads, and you can see the new lead option. You can simply select it. When a new lead is created, it will instantly run, automatically it will run, and it will simply signal the agent that you need to go here. You just need to add it here, and you need to create a webhook from here. You can sign up and you can select it. So what I have done here is you just need to replace the teleform function here. So I have just created the webhook from here, and I have selected my form from here and just simply just saved it. So you can simply create it. You can go here, let's say tele.so, and yeah, you can go here, you can see, and you can simply click new form from here, and you can simply create a form from here. I've already created that, as it is very basic step. You can do that. Now what you need to do, once you have set up the make.com automation, you just need to add up a form. Just click this run this module only. You don't need to worry about that. I will just get to the HTTP module. Just listen this, and you can type anything here, anything which will work. Just type in and just say, yeah, a valid number. Just a minute, I'll just okay, something got work. Okay, just submit it, and now here you can see the automation has already received the form submission, and here are the details, the field I mentioned. You can see it exactly is the same. So now you need to simply click save the scenario, and you need to click the plus button. It will appear like this. You need to click the plus button, and simply delete this. and the HTTP module. Firstly, you need to paste the same URL, exact URL in the URL section, and select method as post. Now name, and you need to write the authorization in this, and for you need to type bearer in the value plus a space and key. For key you will need to go to retail AI settings and API keys, and just let it load. Yeah, you can copy the key from here, and you can simply go here and just paste the key. I'll just paste it. Yeah, done. And content type, you can write this exactly the same content type, application slash JSON, and now body type raw, content type JSON, and you need to pull this exact JSON in this request content. And yeah, and from number, this is the number. I will not adding the number in this video as this will be very long if I do that. So you will just need to watch this video out. I will provide the thumbnail in the video. So and up link in the description, I will also provide that, so you can definitely watch that out. Now what you need to do, in the retail AI, the dynamic variables that we added, you can see the double curly bracket, and this is like the double curly bracket, and after that double curly bracket in the closing. In between there is typed name. So for the name section you will need to type in exactly the name only, and in the phone number exactly the phone number. If you write something else, then it will not catch, the double curly bracket will not catch. It should be exactly the same which you have put in the double between the double curly bracket. Okay, and you can simply map it from here, the details. As you can see, the phone number is this, so I will just map to number, and from number is basically the your agent's number, which you can simply connect your agent with, and you can call those leads with that number. And description, will just be mapping that also, this thing, just yeah, and let me just check. It is basically inquiry. I will need to retype it, inquiry. Yeah, and agent ID, override ID, you need to copy it from here and just go here and paste it here. Okay, now simply save it from here and save the scenario, and just simply click immediately as data arrives. Okay, now the automation is set up for the triggering of form. The whenever the form will fill, the agent will call the lead. Now we just need to set up an automation to extract the data from the call to our CRM. I'll be using the Google Sheets in this case. You can use your CRM also, and you just need to simply, if you're using Google Sheets, go to Google Sheets and set up these columns like name, phone number, budget, lead type, booking date, booking time, recording, and summary. Are the details which I will collect from the call. I've already set up the prompt like that, so you can also set it up like that. And just name this sheet. I have set up the YouTube demo data as the name, and you just need to create a webhook. Once you create the webhook, name it anything, copy the address, go to retail AI webhook settings, and you need to paste this thing here, this exactly, yeah, and just save it. And you need to click the plus button here like this, and you need to select Google Sheets, add a row module, and you can simply this will be added. And yeah, Google Sheets, yeah, you need to select your spreadsheet name and your sheet name. I've already selected it, YouTube demo data. As you can see, I've named it. You will get the option of selecting that. You can simply select it. Now the name part, what you need to do is simply run this module once, right click and run this. Now simply click run test from your agent. um, Let it speak, and just end the call. You do not need that
Hi
right now.
name, this is the
Just cut this, and you can see the details are arrived, and you can see the event as call started. It comes basically in three parts. We only need the call started part. So sorry, call analyze part. So we will just do that. You just need to run this once again and use existing data, still not there, and use existing data. Okay, and this call analyze, you can see event as call analyze. So now if you click between the two lines, this will come, a filter will come. So what you need to do, simply select the event from here. Yeah, you can see the event, and simply type in the text operator equal to call analyze, exactly like this, and simply save it. Now add a row. The data might have been come, so go in the call analysis part, custom analysis data, and the name part, we actually don't added the name. I will just add this, post call data, add name. Yeah, uh, it is the user's name. Okay, and simply save it from here, and I will just be clicking this, run this module once again, run test, and
Hi, name this.
yeah, save it, and integration, yeah, uh, run this once again. Okay, it has come. Now I should see the call analysis part. Wait, call analysis, custom analysis data. Here you can see name has arrived. Okay, now for the phone number, you will need to add something like this. I will type in the URL box. You can see this exact thing you will need to add it, because we have not yet called someone, so it is not showing the phone number. But we need to do this quick, so just add this and it will work. Okay, uh, and now you need to set up the budget from here. Yeah, it is in the call analysis, custom analysis data. Here budget, and the lead type, booking data, booking date, sorry, booking time, and the recording is here. You can see recording URL, and the summary of the call summary here. Okay, and you can simply save it from here and select this immediately as data arrives. Delete all data. Okay, delete, save it. Okay, so guys, our agent is fully set up, and we have set up automation for all our agent. Now we'll just check out whether it's working or not. So the name, I will just put Akshat, and now for the this thing, I will just put out the number, and for description, let's put something like I want details about, about the thing. Okay, and this is an important right. You need to fill this out. By submitting this form, you agree to receive a call from our AI assistant. It We need a consent from our lead to let our AI assistant call them legally. So that's why we need to put this important line. So make sure you put this, and let's just hit submit. And I've also opened up the calendar, so you can see whether it books directly in the calendar or not. And I am receiving a phone call, so now let's just answer it. Hey.
Hi Akshat, this is the AI receptionist calling from our real estate team. I'm following up because you just reached out and said, I want details about my property. Do you have a quick minute so I can confirm a few details and get you scheduled with an agent?
Yeah, sure.
Great, just confirming these details. Are you looking to buy or sell the property?
I'm looking to sell.
Alright, thanks for sharing that. What is your budget for selling?
Maybe 100K.
Okay, got it. How soon are you looking to sell your property?
Maybe within a month.
Thanks for letting me know. Are you comfortable booking an appointment with our team?
Yeah, sure.
Perfect. What is your preferred date and time for the appointment?
Maybe next Tuesday, 10 a.m.
You're all set for next Tuesday at 10 a.m. Let me just confirm your contact number and the appointment details. Looks like I need your email to finish booking the appointment. Could you share your email address, please?
Yeah, it's aksh80@gmail.com.
You're all set for next Tuesday at 10 a.m. confirm your contact number and the appointment details.
Okay, so I have just cut up because I don't want my contact info to reveal. So that's why you can see the details here. The calendar has automatically been updated. The for a real estate follow-up between this is basically my that event type name, so that's why it's like that. And here are all the details. And yeah, here you can see all the details. And now let's check our CRM also, the Google Sheets. You can see the details here also, the phone number, the budget, and 100K, the lead type cell, and the booking date. Booking date, I think we have not put it correctly. I'll just need to check this out. Okay, okay, yeah, it's the description issue, booking date. I will need to describe it in the format. For example, let's say I need to describe the booking date as put it in the mm slash dd slash yyyy format. Okay, now it will be corrected. This was a little mistake by our side, so we will just need to correct that. And for time also, exactly like put it in AM PM format. You can simply type it out and you can do this. And here's the recording for the call. You can simply select it and see it. And here's the agent summary, the whole summary of the call. Okay, so here were all the details. So this was our agent and it can simply call up instantly as we fill out the form. This is a way you can follow up your leads instantly and you can increase your conversion rates and close more clients or customers or deals. So this was our agent, and if you want these types of agent for your company, then you can go in the first link in the description and book a free consulting call with me. I will understand your needs and build you an AI voice agent. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.